So this is how your taskbar normally looks. Yeah, pretty basic. But what if I told you you can turn it into this? A fully transparent taskbar, centered icons, clean setup. And the best part? This works perfectly even on low-end PCs. And you only need one software to do all of this. Let me show you how. All right, first, open your browser and type in TaskbarX. Now go to the first website you see and look for the release or download section. Then click on the release link. This will take you to the GitHub page. Here you'll see both 64-bit and 32-bit versions. Just download the one that matches your system. Once the file is downloaded, click on it and open it using WinRAR. Now extract the files. It's better to create a new folder first and then extract everything into that folder. After that, scroll down and open the TaskbarX configurator exe file. Once it opens, just hit apply, and your taskbar icons will automatically move to the center. Next, go to the style section. Select transparent and click apply. And your taskbar will become transparent. And as you can see, your icons are now centered and the taskbar is fully transparent. But you don't have to stick with just transparent. You can also try the blur effect, which looks really clean. Feel free to test out all the different styles available here and pick the one that fits your setup the best. All right, next we have the animation tab. This is where you can control how your icons move across the taskbar. Basically, this changes the speed of how icons shift from side to side. Let me show you. Now let's increase it to 1000 milliseconds. The icons move much slower and more noticeably to 100 milliseconds. As you can see, the movement is really fast and super smooth. And now you can clearly notice the difference. So depending on your preference, you can adjust this value to get the perfect animation feel. Now, one important thing, make sure to enable this on startup. Just click on Create and it will automatically run when your PC starts. This is optional, but it's really useful if you want this effect every time you turn on your computer. So now you know how TaskbarX works, and there are even more hidden settings you can explore. And if you ever want to turn this off, you can simply click Stop TaskbarX. If you want to make any changes later, just open the configurator again and adjust your settings. Before we end, you might have noticed some custom elements on my desktop. If you like those, I can show you how to set them up as well. Starting with the custom shortcuts I added to the top corner. And next, I can also show you how I customize my clock and date. And finally, that sound wave effect you see. It moves up and down with the audio. I'll show you how to set that up too. So make sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.